उसकी पूरी लाइफ की जर्नी पर पड़ता है। साथियों, नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के माध्यम से इसी अप्रोच को बदलने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। पहले की कमियों को दूर किया जा रहा है। भारत की शिक्षा व्यवस्था में अब एक सिस्टमेटिक रिफॉर्म, शिक्षा का इंटेंट और कंटेंट दोनों को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का प्रयास है। फ्रेंड्स, the 21st century is the era of knowledge. This is the time to increase focus on learning, research, innovation. And this is exactly what India's National Education Policy 2020 does. This policy wants to make your school, college and university experience fruitful, broad-based, one that guides you to your natural passions. Friends, you are among the best and brightest of India. This hackathon is not the first problem you have tried to solve, nor is this the last. I want you and youngsters like you not to stop doing three things: learning, questioning, solving. When you learn, you get the wisdom to question. When you question, you get out of the box methods to solve problems. When you do that, you grow. Due to your effort, our nation grows. Our planet prospers. Friends, India's national education policy reflects this spirit. We are shifting from the burden of the school bag, which does not last beyond school, to the boon of learning, which helps for life. From simply memorizing to critical thinking. For years, the limitations of the system had an adverse effect on the lives of students. No longer. The national education policy reflects the aspirations of young India. It is not process-centric. It is people-centric and future-centric. Friends, among the most exciting things of the policy is the emphasis on interdisciplinary study. This concept has been gaining popularity, and rightly so. One size does not fit all. One subject does not define who you are. There are no limits to discovering something new. Human history has many examples of stalwarts who have accelerated in diverse areas, be it Aryabhatta, Leonardo da Vinci, Helen Keller, Gurudev Tagore. Now, we have done away with some traditional boundaries between art, science, commerce. If someone is interested, they can learn maths and music together, or coding and chemistry together. This will ensure the focus is on what the student wants to learn, rather than what the student is expected to do by society. Interdisciplinary studies gives you control. In the process, it also makes you flexible. In the